Hello everyone, Amy Hunt, home business expert. Thanks for checking out my video and my channel. If you like to make money and even save money, I could ask you to consider subscribing to my channel and enable notifications. Today I'm going to talk about a subject or a website that you probably have all heard about, but maybe you didn't even know that you could sell on it. Check out the rest of this video and see why this website is being compared to Etsy, Amazon, eBay, and the like. See you on the other side. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. It's called Bonanza. Maybe you've heard of it, maybe you haven't. Their slogan is everything but the ordinary. So they take a little bit of everything. They want unique items. They want things that are interesting. Perhaps it is a craft. Perhaps it's something you've made or invented or created or organized or branded. But if you scroll down here, what's interesting to me is their, I guess their promotion of, did you know that 50,000 sellers voted Bonanza best overall marketplace over eBay, Amazon, and Etsy. So then you can click these compare buttons and then easily start selling. So what is appealing about this to me is I already have a or a shop on Etsy. I already have a store on eBay, and maybe you do too. And so what you can do is you can go up here and you can compare to Etsy. All right, it's going to take you down and it's going to take you to a site here where you can click on start for free. So what was appealing when I was reading through this, and I've done Bonanza for years, I just haven't gotten into it because I'm so targeted on Etsy, eBay, and Amazon, but I'm going to get this. I have a few things on there, but I'm going to get it rolling here because I like what it has to offer. So what does it have to offer? Free listings, low fees. I like it talked about marketing, and it would be right here up in the tab. You can look at that. And right here, this was what was cool to me. Copy your items from your Etsy, eBay, or Amazon and keep them synced across your store. I thought, wow, that takes all the grunt work out of it because I have everything listed on Amazon. I actually have FBA there. I have it listed on eBay and Etsy, so I can do it from any of those. So I just thought that was cool. You can go down here to these buttons and you can import all your listings. So if you already have listings, boom, it's done. So where I would start, if you're thinking about starting an online business, check out my course in the description below. Usually Udemy or TabletWise run some kind of promotion. I will put a promotion down there, but my promotions, Udemy only lets me have those links last for within a month, usually, sometimes less. So if it doesn't work, just comment below the video and let me know, and I'll try to get you a coupon. Otherwise, you just might have to pay what's there. What I would also like for you to do is to comment below and tell me where you are in your online marketing, online sales, online selling. Whether or not you've done it, if you're just beginning, what help you would need, some ideas that you might need or like. So this is Bonanza. You can click start now for free and it'll get you started. Just look in the link below. I'll give you a link to get you started. Again, I appreciate anytime you use my links because usually I put an affiliate link and that's how I keep my channel going. Now let's go back and check out Bonanza, and I'm going to log into my account and show you what it looks like. So this seems to be the easiest way to be able to transfer my files from my Etsy, like my description, title, all the information for my Etsy products to my Bonanza account. So if you click on Bonanza here and you scroll down and you go to compare to Etsy. So what it does is just give you the option then quickly, if you scroll down here to the bottom, to import from Etsy. So once you get here, it's going to require that you have what's called a CSV file. A CSV file is basically an Excel file. Another way you can easily get there is to go scroll over your name and go to Selling Dashboard. This will also pop up. So then you're going to scroll down where it says Items. You're going to click on that and you're going to click Etsy Import. Now, if you want to do like Shopify or eBay or Amazon, you would pick whatever your corresponding place is that you're going to import from. You can also do a CSV file import. So whenever you save data, like on an Excel sheet, you save it as a .csv. So let's just use Etsy import as an example. And then once you get there, if this doesn't work for you, you can learn how to get your inventory file from Etsy by clicking this link. So we're going to go back to Etsy, and this is how you get to the file, CSV file for your shop. So click on Shop Manager. In the bottom left here, it says Settings. So click on Settings, and then you want to go to where it says Options. Click on Options. There, you're going to scroll over to where it says Download Data, and it's going to show you what you're going to download. So it's really cool right here. It's going to give you a list of all the stuff in your listing. So it's the title, the description, the price, the currency code. All this information is going to get downloaded into a file. I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to download it. Now it's going to ask you where to download it. Make sure you remember where you download it and what it's called. I'm going to just leave it at that, Etsy listings download, and save it. So once it gets saved, it's usually on a PC down here on the left. It just shows you where downloaded. Then you want to go back to Bonanza, and then you're going to click Choose File. So I'm going to click Choose File, and you go back to Downloads, and you'll see the Etsy listings download is right there. You're going to click on it, and it's punching all that information from your Etsy listings into Bonanza. And once it's listed there, then you can click Import Items, and it's going to bring all those items into Bonanza. It might take a little bit. Oh, that was pretty quick. So it's going to bring all that information into Bonanza. It's giving you information. So don't just disregard information like this, just letting you know your import, CSV import has been queued, and then refresh items of your Google shopping feed. So update your booth and get things going here. All right, and it shows that your booth has been successfully updated, and it'll be searchable within a few hours. So that's how you transfer items from Etsy into Bonanza. Bonanza, extraordinary, everything but the ordinary. So hopefully that helps you learn another platform that you can sell your items on. Again, if you don't have items to sell, check out my course. Check out my website, amyhunt.biz, for updated and current information. Thanks for watching Home Business Expert.